Hi friends, today we have seen in the issues in the generation of code. What are the issues placed in the code generation time that is called issues in the code generation? Into the topic, first of all, we are known what is code generation. Actually, the code generation is intermediate code, it converts into the machine understandable code that is called as code generation or code conversion. uh, into the topics before that we have known basics 5 stages of code generation. First stage in lexical analysis and second stage in semantic syntax analysis and semantic analysis and code optimization at code generation. Lexical analysis in the if the first stage are input to the machine or compiler, that is called lexical analysis. Second one, syntax analysis, is a format of some set of syntax, it's correct or similar to the given input, it verified to the syntax, that is called syntax analysis. And third one, semantic analysis is the correct structure format to the input for the machine understandable language, that is called semantic analysis. And fourth one, code optimization, a given code is maximum optimized by the machine understandable language, that is called code optimization. And fifth one is the code generation, the three address code and understandable machine language and compiler to allocate the register to the understand compiling time. That process is necessary to the code generation or code optimize, and code generation is both of equal to the similar to compile the compile based. So that is the fifth topic for code generation. Into the topic, what are the issues we have faced into the code generation. First, in input to the code, the correct input given to the machine language, it processed and delivered to the output. Because the correct input format to the understandable machine language for converting the intermediate code to machine language, it is the correct input. Some cases we have occurred in the some problems to input to the input for the input time. uh, Example for quadruples and triples and indirect triples and set of variables and DAG and so on. There are a correct input format to the machine understandable language, that is called as in input to the code. And second one is target machine. Target machine is the formation of three major problems to occur in the output time. The target machine is the directly output for the input, in correct output consolidate the correct output and given to the machine, that is called target machine, target machine. And there are three major problems in we occurred. First one is absolute machine language, and second one reallocate machine language, and third one assembly language. First, absolute machine language, it's a correct absolute specific value or variables to given the input, that is called absolute machine language. And second one, reallocate the machine language. For example, we are given the expression into the addition, subtraction, division. If all are occurs in this one expression, it maybe is separated into the some sub expressions, because addition is the first expression, and multiplication is second, division is third, similar to the etc. In separate expression will be solved with the separated link, and there are link to be merged into single link, that is called reallocated machine language. Each and every link consolidate the single link, and it will be processed and gives the output. It is the time taken to the correct output to the compared to the absolute machine language. And third one is assembly language. Assembly language is the best solution for given input to the to solve the correct output. It is the time taken to solve the assembly language. Assembly language is takes the specific each and every variables in specific register and solve the unprocessed in a necessary process and given the output for the correct input, that is called target machine. And third one is memory management. Memory management in the code generation, we have two phases in part of the code generation. First one is front end and second one is back end. Front end is given input or code converted in the intermediate code for the machine understandable language, and back end is processed to compile the process or executed in given the output for the given expression. The two major parts in the role of memory management system. The front end and back end is converted linking to the sorry link or mapping to the memory, that is called memory management. And fourth one, instruction selection. Instruction selection, for example, we have given the two expression for same addition problem, same addition problem. In what is the correct instruction will be processed, and it is easily to given the output that is taken is compiled automatically to the compiler, that is called as instruction selection. And fifth one is memory allocation. Register allocation. Register allocation is a major part of the issues in the comes under the code generation. In register allocation, we have faced in two main problems. First one is register allocation, and the second one is register assignment. Register allocation is automatically assigned to the some set of variables or set of expression. For each expression is given allocated by the one register. It is taken to time travel and more time to execute the process. It is not necessary, it is not efficient to solve the problem. And second one is register assignment. Register assignment, it is each and every variable is assigned to the separate register and processed to the compiler, that is the correct output format and less time taken to the given problem, that is called register assignment. And last and final topics in evolutional order. Evolutional order is a formation of intermediate code generation converts to machine language. The code understand are more efficient to the correct input format and compared to the correct output, that is called evolutional order. The orders to should taken to the comes under some categories of correct some categories of input, and both are similar to the output format. These are the part of so issues taken or occurs to the code generation time. These topics are faced in every compilation process. In rectify the issues, we have taken or chosen some logicals and expression logical and algorithms to expression to solve the problems in given topics. Thank you everyone.